Hello, welcome back. I am reviewing a few things that I got from Amazon. Let's get on with the video. I hope you enjoy it. I got a few products from Amazon that I would like to try on camera. An eyeshadow palette from Ready to Shine, brands that I've not heard of before. This is cruelty-free and vegan, and it is very small, like super cute. Mars Voyage, or is that Voyage? Mars Voyage is by One Click Beauty. An eyeshadow palette that reminds me of an e.l.f. Palette. Very cute, like small. And then it comes with this eyeliner. This is also One Click Beauty, and this is their lip kit, all packaged like this. One is velvet and one is high gloss or high shine. And then you get a lip liner. To do the products justice, I have to put foundation on, so I'll be back when I'm done with foundation. I don't know. It says it's made in USA. Huh, that's interesting. First glance, it's not looking like it's very impressive, but we'll see. So I'm going to start with, for sure, this one will not show up. So I'm going to start with this one. We'll start with that because I know the other shades will not show up on my skin. Oh, that's pigment. See that? I just won't use a primer, but... Oh, hello. There's pigment. I didn't expect much, but seeing that it's made in USA, that says something, right? I'm just gonna blend it all over. It's really pigmented, and it's easy to blend. That's really surprising. I didn't expect much from this. Well, that's good. That's good. So all the other colors here are just so pale that I'll go for this one too. Deepen it. I'm going to use this here, this darker brown here, a smaller brush, and just I'm going to concentrate it in the here. In the here. Oh, that's pigmented too. Cute, cute. I like that. I like that. So I'm going to use this. I really like this color, this orange color here. So I'm going to try this. Just a little tiny bit. I'm kind of gravitating towards this palette, not the other one, even though that one is really nice too. Okay, I'm looking a little unblended, this one over here. And I'm just going to use my finger like this and apply it like that. Oh, there is a mirror. Kind of like that too. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of the Athena palette. Like the tones, the warm brown tones. Wow, that is pretty. You see that? That's pretty. And I'm going to try this sort of glitter. I don't know if it's a glitter, but we'll try it. It's like a foil or glitter. Oh, that's high shine. Look at that. Shiny. So shiny. Just put that on top. Oh, that is beautiful. Huh? That's pretty. That is gorgeous. Wow. Wow, that is gorgeous. I love. I will travel with this. This is so pretty. This brown here, this brown and orange, I'm going to mix them together. Wow, that is pretty. Pretty, pretty. And I don't do falsies, so that's something you won't see on my channel. I tried I can't. I don't have that talent. So I'm very basic. Alright, so let's try this Click Beauty eyeliner. And it says here this is intense black. That's it. And one thing too that you won't see me do, I don't do eyelashes at all. Like, I don't put mascara. So to you, my makeup might look unfinished. I just broke it. I just broke it. You see it? I broke it. I think I put it out too much. But I shouldn't do that. What? That is so soft. Two of the same color. One is velvet and the other one is high shine lip gloss. I don't know what it's called. Iced mocha. That's what it's called. Oh, that's darker than it looks in the... That's way darker. That is real dark. Like almost vampy. I've never worn a color like this. Like almost purplish. Like I feel like I drowned. I don't like this color. I love that formula. It's so lightweight. You get a little tackiness, but that's a good one. Let's top it off with the high shine, because why not? I feel like this One Click Beauty is a good brand. I'm not sure. Never had it before. Never heard of it before. But I think it's a good brand. Wow. That's pretty. Well, today I was really surprised. To be honest, guys. So surprised. I did not expect these to work well at all or perform like this. Like when I saw this for a review, I was like, alright, I'll try it, but I didn't even think that it would look or perform well. I didn't even see that it was made in USA. So this too, the Click Beauty, it was pretty good. Oh, I forgot. There is a lip liner. Let's use the lip liner because we have to, because we're reviewing the situation. I don't know what happened to the pencil, but I lost the pencil. So overall, I think I had very good experience with this palette. Very good. I'd like to travel with this palette. Very, very nice. I especially like the foil, like it shows up. I like this one as well, although the tone is not very nice for my skin tone. This is a cool tone eyeshadow, although it's very nice if you are graying. If you have gray hairs, this is a good color to have. I love the pencil, the lip liner. I love the lip colors, although I wouldn't choose this color. The formula feels very tacky when I put the high shine gloss on, but with this also it was a little bit drying, but it's fine. That's how matte lipsticks work. The only thing I didn't like is the eyeliner. The eyeliner worked, like it gave me a black solid line, as you can see that, but it's not very strong. I broke it twice. I'm not very harsh, and it kind of just glides over the part with the shiny eyeshadow and did not stick, so I had to like really work it in there. But other than that, I think I had good hits here. This is not a sponsored video, although they were sent to me for free to review. I was only required to review it on Amazon, not on YouTube. So the things that I review on YouTube is just my own personal choice to put something out that would be helpful to the people who follow me on this channel. Alright, so again, thank you so much. I'm so hungry. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.